Welcome back to our tutorials. Last time we talked about lines, and in lines we mainly talked about the dot product, meaning the dot product was associated with the lines. Now when we talk about planes, then we shall talk more about the cross product. Now it means dot product, we shall be dealing with the lines, and the cross product, it is all about planes. Now if you are given any point A, which is AI plus BJ plus CK, then another point B, which is ABC BI CDEJ, then plus K, let me use L K, like this. Then they want us to get the cross product of A cross B. It's just getting the absolute of, then I will represent IJK, IJK, like that. Now for A, because we are dealing with the A first, for A I will have A, for B, for J I'll have B, and for C I'll have this. Then for this one of B down, I'll have D, this one I'll have E, this one I'll have L. Then if I want to get the cross product, I'll indicate the numbers that I want to get the cross product. I will first begin with getting the component of I. This means the component of I will be into, then I'll be getting determinants. Determinants, you will do a lot here. Now meaning if I'm going to get that of I will eliminate the whole of this one and the whole of this one. I eliminate it in its column and row form. Now what I've left with, it's what I get its determinant for, meaning I'll get determinant of B, E, C, D. And you recall that if we get the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, we get the product on the major diagonal minus the product on the minor diagonal, meaning you'll have a B times L, then minus a C times E, then minus J. Here it is I, then this is minus J, into, if I'm to eliminate J, it means I have to remove its column and row, meaning you remain with this AD, remain with the AD, then with C and L, because you have eliminated this one, meaning you have to get the determinant of this one, which will be A dot L minus C dot D, then plus K. In the middle where we have J is the one which is negative, into, I'm to eliminate this, no, I eliminate this and this, meaning I'll remain with this as a matrix, which will be A, B, D, E, product on the major diagonal, which is A times E, minus product of the minor diagonal, which is a B times D. Then the answer which you obtained will be the what? The cross product of those two vectors. Now I want us to do a live example with some numbers so that we get familiar to the concept. Now if we look at this one, they are saying that example, we are going to do this example, given point A with this point and the point B with this, find the cross product of AB. Now the cross product of A cross B, this one will be equaling to, this one means you have to get determinant, this one means absolute. I'll write I, J, K. Then I'll write the values of A first, which will be 3, negative 2 and 1. Then B I'll have 4, 3 and negative 2, because this is minus 2K. Now I'll get that. Then I'll get the cross product, which is A cross B. This one will be according to, I'm going to take those of I. If I'm to take the I, I'll eliminate this, the whole of this one and the whole of that one. Then I'll be left with only this matrix. I'll get this determinant, this times this, negative 2 times a negative 2 should be a 4, minus a 1 times a 3, which will be a 3, minus J into, I'll eliminate the whole of this one in j, I'll eliminate the one of j. Then from there I'll do also eliminate the column and the row. It means if I eliminate this and this, here I'll remain with 3, 4, 1, -2, just like this. Then product on the major diagonal, which will be a 3 times a -2, -6, minus a 4 times 1, which is 4. Then plus k. K will be, I'll eliminate this